learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Approximately 120 years ago, many Hakka people migrated to Luye Township in Taidong County and made their living cultivating pineapple, sugarcane, and the famous Fulu tea. With a population of 9,000 people, at least one-third is of Hakka descent. Recently, Luye became famous for its hot air balloon festival. To promote Hakka culture and history in the area, the Luye Township office plans to build Hakka parks in Ruiyuan and Rehe villages.
Hey there, it's time for Talk About Hakka on FM 100 ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我是阿炳哥 Leo。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Lin。这个 Leo 啊，最近很夯的这几年哦，在台东啊有一个嘉年华会。但是在空中的嘉年华会
奶迪，你知道的意思吗？是，我知道。
热气球，对不对？
嘿，捏 he q。
is that how you say a hot air balloon？ 捏 he q，he q 就是 balloon，
对，
捏就是热啊。OK，
不过呢，这个捏 he q 它是指那个天上的那个热气球，但是如果一般我们吹的那个气球，我们有另外一个说法叫做。给果叶
Okay, that's a different way to describe an actual balloon that you would hold in your hand. The small balloon, 小的气球。I see. So we're talking about the hot air balloons. And because of the hot air balloon festival, this township has become very famous. 其实呢，就也因此呢，鹿野乡变很有名了。
超噶。
鹿野乡怎么说？
鹿野乡。
Okay, that's a township in Taidong. And I want to ask Leo, what's famous about 这个鹿野乡？除了热气球之外。
其实他早年他是种那个柑渣，还有凤梨。
凤梨是凤梨。
对，
柑渣是
就是长长的、白白的、很甜的，
对，但很甜。
是。
Okay, so this township was originally known for a lot of fruits, including pineapple and sugarcane. Pineapple 凤梨 and then sugarcane 甘蔗。
柑渣
that's sugar cane。但除此之外还有什么比较有名的吗？
它这几年比较有名，就是有一个茶叫做福禄茶，就是福禄茶。刚好有禄这个字啊，很有福气的鹿野乡啊。You might want to try that out. This is something that's really famous even now today. Their tea called 福禄茶。There you go. Go check it out. The East Coast is very beautiful to begin with anyways. And that does it for today's Talk About Hakka. 什么泰嘎？
俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.